Sai Ram. Our humble pranams at the lotus feet of our dear Lord Sai. Respected elders and all my dear brothers and sisters. On this auspicious occasion of Ashadi Ekadashi, we, the Bal Vikas children and the youth wing of Sri Satya Sai Seva Organization, Nagpur Zone, from the state of Maharashtra and Goa, are indeed very fortunate to offer at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan a ballet entitled Krishna Uddhava.
Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
Oh, Keshava, what is the matter? What is troubling you so much? Your beautiful face always had a smile. And today, you look so disturbed, restless, sad. Tell me, what is the problem? What should I do? Yes, I will call his other devotees. They might cheer up my friend.
Shravanam. Oh, my Lord is in trouble. Oh Krishna, hearing your story, I attain liberation. What ails you, my Lord? Please tell me. Kirtanam.
Lord, chanting your name used to make me swim in the ocean of Ananda. For you are Ananda Swarupa. Then why the shadow on your face?
Smaranam.
Nirantara Krishna Smaranam. O Madhava, this Draupadi has no other thought other than you. Lord, please say something.
Padasevanam.
My Lord, you've blessed me with the wonderful opportunity of serving you, being with you. You are the very breath of my life. How can your Rukmini see your face clouded?
Vandanam.
My salutations to you, O Janardhana. You preferred my house to Duryodhana's mansion. Your smile lit up my humble dwelling. I cannot bear to see you without it.
Archanam.
O Dwarkadesh, I Akrura have worshipped you always. Your name, your puja has been my life. Please smile, O Lord.
Dasyam.
You have protected me at every moment of my life. What is the matter, O Govinda?
Sakhyam.
Krishna, I am here. What did you tell me before the battle of Kurukshetra? That I must never be depressed, must always smile and be confident? What was that verse? Now I quote you in return.
कुतस्तव कश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिर्करम् अर्जुन.
Yes, Arjuna. You are my friend. But I miss another Sakha, who is like a shadow.
ఓ మిత్రమా ప్రాణ మిత్రమా ఓ మిత్రమా ఓ మిత్రమా ప్రాణ మిత్రమా జాగేల వేగరావేల ఓ మిత్రమా నిన్ను వీడి నేనుండజాల ఉద్ధవా ప్రాణ మిత్రమా నీ ప్రాణ సఖుని మరిచితివాయ నీవు లేని జీవనమే కడుభారమాయా ఓ మిత్రమా 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 ఓ ఉద్ధవా కనులారా నిన్ను జూచితిని కనులారా నిన్ను జూచితిని మనసారా నేను మురిసితిని కనులారా నిన్ను జూచితిని కౌగిలింపగవచ్చితిని కౌవింపగవచ్చితిని నేను ముదిమి దరి చేరగవచ్చితిని నేను ముదిమి దరి చేరగవచ్చితిని కనులారా నిన్ను జూచితిని ఆనంద పరవశమున ముంచగరానా నా ప్రియతమ చలికాడిని చేరగరానా ప్రియ సఖా మాధవ ప్రాణ సఖా కేశవ ప్రియ సఖా మాధవ ప్రాణ సఖా కేశవ కనులారా నిన్ను జూచితిని కనులారా నిన్ను జూచితిని కనులారా నిన్ను జూచితిని కనులారా
Where were you, Uddhava? I missed you.
Oh Krishna, I missed you too.
You were my shadow. We were inseparable.
Unless you sent me away.
Me? Send you away?
Yes, to Brindavan, to meet your gopis.
But you learned from them, didn't you?
Oh yes, of course. Then You sent me to the land of the demons to search for the Pandavas. I was really scared.
I wasn't. I knew my Uddhava was very brave. In fact, I know you more than you know yourself.
Oh, is that so? And what is it that you know that even I don't?
Well, I know everything. The past, the present, and the future. For instance, I know how you were as a baby.
As a baby? And how was I?
ఉద్ధవుని జీవనమే ధన్యమాయే ఉద్ధవుని జీవనమే ఉద్ధవుడు అతి భాగ్యవంతుడు ఉద్ధవుడు అతి భాగ్యవంతుడు ఉద్ధవుడు అతి భాగ్యవంతుడు
Kamsa, what a beautiful color our baby has. Blue.
He's beautiful. Sister Devaki must have suffered so much. She lost 8 children.
And my brother Vasudev? What he must have gone through.
Ah, he's asleep. This is the time I could finish some work.
Devbhag? Devbhag!
Shh! You'll wake him up.
Oh, I'm sorry. Devbhag, come along. The Yadavas are awaiting you.
Narayan, Narayan. The same blue color? And he's sleeping like an angel. Listen, little one. Your friend is in Gokul. And they call him Krishna. Yes, yes. Your Krishna. I'm aware of your secret. Both of you are playing a drama. You have separated from the Lord to teach mankind what it is to be like a shadow, a friend of God. And ultimately in the Kali Yuga, this is the best bond, that of divine friendship.
Oh, suniyo, balak, नींद से जागो नींद से जागो समाचार शुभ लाया हूँ प्रकट हुआ है मित्र तुम्हारा उसे देख मैं आया हूँ मिसाल की है कायम दोस्ती मैत्री माने साख्यम कलयुग में आदर्श विधा है यही बताने आया हूँ सुनियो बालक नींद से जागो
My sweet smiling baby, you are as happy as I am. But you will have to wait for a couple of years. Don't worry, time always flies. Narayana, Narayana.
Take this pot too, Mother.
That's enough for today.
Ah, he has the same color.
Who has the same color?
Your son. I had gone to Gokul and I saw the chieftain Nandaraja's son. He has the same color.
Is that so?
What's his name?
Krishna. All the gopis and gopas call him by different names. His mother calls him Kanaiya.
Krishna, Krishna.
Ah, sounds so sweet. How does he look?
Oh, Mother, enchanting. You see him only once and he remains in your heart forever. He is absolutely beautiful.
Narayana, Narayana. Krishna is beautiful.
मोर मुकुट पीतांबर सोहे गले वैजयंती माला वृंदावन में धेनु चरावे मोहन मुरली वाला.
Mother, I will make Krishna my best friend.
Ah, now with this yellow pitambar, you look just like Krishna.
There you are, in front of that idol of Krishna that you have made. My son, aren't you hungry? Come and eat something.
No, Mother, I'm not hungry. And anyway, how can I eat till my best friend Krishna eats?
Have you finished your puja? What Utsav, what festival shall we celebrate today?
That day, we played Krishna dancing on Kaliya.
And we have already played him dancing the Ras.
Today, I heard something new. It seems there was a great storm at Vrindavan and Krishna lifted the Govardhan hill on his little finger.
Really?
Come and I will tell you what I heard.
What are the preparations for, Mother? Kanaiya, we are preparing for a sacrifice.
Sacrifice? For whom?
For the king of gods, the god of rain, Indra. We show our gratitude to him, Krishna.
Why? What has he done for us? For which we should be grateful?
Krishna, don't be so rude.
Don't speak like that, Krishna. You have no respect for the gods. Don't you know that it is Lord Indra who gives us rain? How will our cows thrive without grass? And how will grass grow without rain? Son, if Indra is not worshipped, he will not give us rain, or he will give too much that will flood the banks and destroy our settlement.
By the power of nature's aspect of Rajas, all places get rain. What is Indra to do with it? Father, aren't we a clan of cowherds?
Yes, son.
Then perform a sacrifice expressing gratitude to the mountain Govardhana and we will get rain.
With such rain, grass will grow. Our cows will graze on such grass and become healthy and give abundant milk.
Yes, Father.
Yes, Nandaraja. Let's follow your son's words.
गोकुळ जन सारे या कृष्णाचे ऐकून घ्या. कर्म हाच ईश्वर तर इंद्र यज्ञ त्याग करू. गोवर्धन यज्ञ करू इंद्राचा गर्व हरू. यज्ञ भोग पर्वतास अर्पुन संतुष्ट करू. ब्राह्मण पूजनीय वन पर्वत वंदनीय. गोवर्धन यज्ञ करू इंद्राचा गर्व हरू.
Look at the audacity of these Gopas. Depending on Krishna, a mere mortal, a precocious boy and a brat. Go, O clouds, and humble their pride. Let there be a storm and destroy Vrindavan completely. I shall follow with the wind gods and cause destruction.
घन गरजे वर्षे. घुमड़ घुमड़ घन गरजे वर्षे. चारों ओर जल थल जल थल. चारों ओर जल थल जल थल. बिजुली चमके क्रोधित वरुण. बिजुली चमके क्रोधित वरुण. ब्रजवासी सब कंपित भय से. ब्रजवासी सब कंपित भय से. उमड़ घुमड़ घन गरजे बरसे. उमड़ घुमड़ घन गरजे बरसे.
Oh Krishna, protect us from the wrath of Indra. Oh Krishna.
Why fear when I'm here? All you people of Raj, come in with your cattle and stay comfortably. Don't worry.
कृष्ण कहे मत घबरा जाओ. आओ मेरी शरण में आओ. गोवर्धन उंगली पे उठाया. गोवर्धन उंगली पे उठाया. ब्रज की रक्षा करत है कन्हैया. ब्रज की रक्षा करत कन्हैया. घुमड़ घुमड़ घन गरजे बरसे. घुमड़ घुमड़ घन गरजे बरसे.
He is the Lord himself. I have made a great mistake.
7 दिनों तक रहा सिलसिला, इंद्र बिहारे कृष्ण की लीला। कोई न इसको बालक समझो, कोई न इसको बालक समझो। ईश्वर है ये बंसी बजैया, ईश्वर है ये बंसी बजैया। उमड़ घुमड़ घन गरजे बरसे, उमड़ घुमड़ घन गरजे बरसे, उमड़ घुमड़ घन गरजे बरसे।
Pardon my arrogance. Forgive me, please. Here is Kamadhenu to venerate you.
O Krishna, as directed by Brahma, allow me to do Abhisheka for installing thee as king. Verily, you are born to lighten the burden of Mother Earth. You are the God of gods.
And you know, from that day he was called Giridhari and Govinda.
उद्धवुनि जीवनमे धन्यमाये उद्धवुनि जीवनमे उद्धवुडु अति भाग्यवंतुडु उद्धवुडु अति भाग्यवंतुडु उद्धवुडु अति भाग्यवंतुडु।
My dear, hearing that our son is blessed with great intelligence, Brihaspati, the Deva Guru, has accepted Uddhava in his school.
Where is the Gurukul of Brihaspati?
Uddhava will go to Devalok. My son, work hard and study well. Obey your Guru implicitly.
Yes, Father. In case Krishna comes to Mathura, will you please tell him that I'm longing to meet him?
All of us are waiting. Certainly, my son, we will tell him.
Narayan, Narayan. Even he must be longing to meet you. But be sure that you will meet him and be in his company all your life. Narayan, Narayan.
So dear students, remember, मन में प्रज्ञा जगे, मन होवे विनम्र विनीत, जिस डाली पर फल लगे, झुकने की है रीत. Let us chant together. शान्ताकारम् भुजङ्गशयनम् पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशम् मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरम् सर्वलोकैकनाथम् सर्वलोकैकनाथम् सर्वलोकैकनाथम्
Uddhava learns all that I teach, yet his heart is with his dearest friend, who is paramount to him.
Salutations, O Devaguru. I have good news. Krishna, Vasudeva's son, has slain Kamsa and freed the people from his tyranny. He, along with his older brother Balarama, is already at Guru Sandipani's ashram and very soon will be back at Mathura.
Krishna is Uncle Vasudeva's son? So the rumors were true. King Kamsa is killed and Krishna is at Guru's ashram.
Yes, Uddhava.
Finally I will see Krishna. Krishna.
Krishna will be returning to Mathura soon. And dear Uddhava, so will you. Yes, your education under me is complete. I am very pleased with you, my son. You are truly a Jnani. True education will help you to realize your divinity. रण सहस्त्र योद्धा लड़े, जीते युद्ध हजार, पर जो जीता स्वयं को वही शूर सरदार. Krishna will make you the Prime Minister of Mathura. Serve your country. My blessings are with you.
विद्याभूषित उद्धव आए, विद्याभूषित उद्धव आए, मथुरा नगरी पुलकित है, बांट रहे हैं ज्ञान सभी को, ज्ञान नहीं ये अमृत है. विद्याभूषित उद्धव आए. विश्वास जताया, नीति धर्म का पाठ पढ़ाया, सबके मन को जीत लिया और खुद उद्धव भी मन जित है. विद्याभूषित उद्धव आए, विद्याभूषित उद्धव आए.
Mother! Mother!
Oh my son, I was waiting for you.
Mother, where is Krishna? I heard that he has returned.
Yes, son, and?
How does he look? Where do I get to meet him? Where will he be now?
Right here. Turn around.
कस्तूरी तिलकं कमनीयवदनं, सिकिपिञ्च मौलिं श्यामसुन्दरम्, कण्ठवैजयन्ती हारं श्रीवत्स कौस्तुभधरम्, विनीलकुन्तलं
कमलनयनम् शृङ्गाररूपम् पट्टुपीताम्बरम् चिरुमन्दहासम् मनमोहनाकारम् श्रीकृष्णपादपङ्कजम् शिरसा नमामि शिरसा नमामि शिरसा नमामि.
At last, Krishna! Krishna, my friend!
Uddhava, friends forever. My brilliant, intelligent friend. A great Jnani.
If I am a Jnani, my Jnan tells me that you are God.
You, the Prime Minister of Mathura.
And you, the King of Kings, the Kingmaker.
From now on, the Jnani.
And the God, the King.
And the Prime Minister
will always be together.
कृष्णा और उद्धव दोनों में एक अनोखा रिश्ता है. कौन कर सके वर्णन उसका, नर नारायण नाता है. कृष्ण उतारे वही वस्त्र, उद्धव को अच्छा लगता है. कृष्ण का झूठा भोजन भी उद्धव को मीठा लगता है. निर्मोही निरपेक्ष भक्ति का ये तो एक उदाहरण था. निर्मोही निरपेक्ष भक्ति का ये तो एक उदाहरण था. कैसी दोस्ती कैसी भक्ति, ये तो पूर्ण समर्पण था. कृष्णा और उद्धव दोनों में एक अनोखा रिश्ता है. कौन कर सके वर्णन उसका, नर नारायण नाता है. नर नारायण नाता है. नर नारायण नाता है.
Krishna, Krishna, what's bothering you? For the past couple of days, you are lost in thought. Talk to me about it. Sharing one's burden always lightens it.
Oh Uddhava, my parents, Nandaraj and Yashoda Maiya, are missing me terribly. The gopis are grief-stricken. I am their life breath. And even I miss them.
Miss the Rasa Krida. Miss teasing them on the bank of Yamuna or stealing butter.
Yes, Uddhava, those were the days. When I sat in the chariot with Akrura, the gopis stopped me, and some of them held the reins of the horses. I cannot forget the grief on their faces.
He is God, and he is pining for those rustic folk. I am sure I can help them out.
Do me a favor, Uddhava. You are my closest and dearest friend. Please go to Vraja. Cheer up my parents. Go and assuage the grief of the gopis by delivering them a message. Now, my learned, brilliant Jnani friend will also learn what is prema, what is bhakti.
Look! There I see a chariot.
Looks like Krishna. Oh, Krishna.
Mukunda, Govinda has come back.
Same pitambar, same garland.
But no, it is someone else.
You're Kanha's friend, Uddhava. I have heard of you.
You dress just like him.
No, these are Krishna's clothes. Can't you recognize them?
I have brought a message from Krishna.
For us? He remembers us?
When will he come?
Look at Radha. See how she is.
We have nothing left. He has forsaken us.
We live in the hope of meeting him.
In the hope of at least seeing him.
The breeze of Raja is his breath.
The rose his lips.
Sunset his clothes.
The clouds his color.
What prema! What bhakti! They have totally submerged their being in Krishna.
Oh, Brahmara. You are a friend of Krishna? Going from flower to flower? Where have you come from? Have you imbibed nectar from the garland of Krishna? Go away. I can't bear to see you. But has Krishna asked you to come? Please tell me. Does he ever remember us? We are after all village folk. Go away, O Brahmara. He has abandoned us. He has no heart. Enough of friendship with one who is black within and without. Yet, how can we forget him? His deeds, his face, his smile, his gait, and his charming words.
Listen, calm yourself. This is Krishna's message to you. O beloved one, I have never left you and never will leave you. Do not grieve, for your grief is my grief and your joy is mine. I, who am boundless, have been bound by your love. When I am far away, physically, meditate on me, and you will be able to commune with me. Devoid of other thoughts, allow your mind to enter into me, and thus you will attain me at once. Blessed are you. Your name will always be remembered along with mine.
We will do as he says.
Yet, the river Kalindi, this Govardhana, these forests, the banks of the Yamuna where he played the rasa, the sound of the flute all remind us of him. How can we ever forget him?
I have to return. I, Uddhava, prostrate before you. O gopis, I was arrogant about my knowledge, but today I have seen and learnt that love like yours is even superior to knowledge.
So dear Uddhava, you've related to me all that happened. Well, the gopis are not Gyanis. They are rustic folk, isn't it so, Uddhava?
I realize why you sent me. Krishna, please forgive me. I was vain about my intellect. I pray that I be born again as a blade of grass or a bower, so that the dust of the gopis' feet covers me. Even the sages cannot attain their state. Their prema purifies the three worlds. O Keshava, bless me, so I may imbibe a little bit of their prema they have for you.
The meeting of the gopis with you, Uddhava, is like mingling of two rivers. Your knowledge seeped into the gopis, and strengthened their minds, and their bhakti flowed into your heart and melted your pride. Today, my Priya Sakha, you are a confluence of Jnana Bhakti, the right way to Godhead.
Krishna, I have learnt what is bhakti from the gopis and what is surrender from the Pandavas. But I wonder why your cousins have always had troubles in their lives.
Yes, Mother Kunti says that it is only in times of trouble that they keep calling God.
No, you stand corrected. They keep calling on Krishna. I saw this when you sent me to the forest in search of them. It was wonderful to meet Arjun. And you know what he said to me?
Yes, I knew Krishna would rescue us. Uddhava, you're so fortunate to be always with him.
And you, Arjun, are very dear to him. You reside in his heart.
कैसा अद्भुत है ये मिलन, दोनों का ही दोस्त है किशन, उद्धव का वो हर पल साथी, उद्धव का वो हर पल साथी, अर्जुन का मनवासी किशन, कैसा अद्भुत है ये मिलन। दोस्ती भक्ति गले मिल रही, प्रेमाश्रु की गंगा बही, श्री कृष्ण 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 श्री कृष्ण, नस नस में गूंज उठती रही, नस नस में गूंज उठती रही, उद्धव का वो हर पल साथी, अर्जुन का मनवासी किशन, कैसा अद्भुत है ये मिलन, कैसा अद्भुत है ये मिलन।
How time has flown, Uddhava. Just the other day, we were talking about Draupadi's Swayamvar. In fact, 36 years have passed since the great battle of Kurukshetra. And under Yudhishthir's rule, Dharma is flourishing.
Krishna, our own Yadava country, stretching from the city of Mathura to Dwarka, on the western coast is filled with abundance and plenty by your grace.
Ah, Uddhava, affluence takes its toll. The high principle of physical fitness and spiritual brilliance, which were the characteristics of the previous generation, is giving way to laxity and laziness.
Lord, you are so grave and stern. It fills me with fear.
Sometimes amputation of a putrid part of the body is required, and sometimes annihilation is the only way out.
Oh Krishna, I fear you are ready to quit the world after bringing about the destruction of your own clan. Oh Krishna, how can I even live for a second without being able to see your sweet form? Sitting, lying, walking and sleeping, talking, eating and playing, I have been with you. I have worn your cast of clothes, adorned myself with a sandal paste and garlands discarded by you, and eaten only the remnants of your food. Lord, I have lived in your shadows. Take me with you. I will not be able to bear this separation. Oh Krishna, please. Take me. take me with you.
Oh, my dear Sakha, my work here is over, whereas you have still more to do. You, having surrendered your ego, have sailed through life with ease. But for those who will come after us, will not know the path of surrender and sweetness of this path of love. You shall therefore be their teacher. Love for family, friends, and the body make the jiva go through this cycle of life and death. So dear Uddhava, abandon all attachments to your relations and wander over the world, recognizing my presence everywhere.
O Krishna, your own Maya has bound me with the feeling that I am the body, and all those connected to me are mine. O Keshava, instruct me on how I can be free of these attachments, for you are the supreme teacher.
In fact, the world itself is full of teachers, if but one wants to learn.
Krishna, to learn, to grow, one should know to discriminate. Lord, can you tell me what is good and what is bad?
दान किसी को देना ये दातृत्व नहीं है, क्या दोगे तुम क्योंकि तुम्हारा कुछ भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है। बुरा किसी का कभी न सोचो, यही सही है, यही सही है। नरक नाम की कोई ऐसी जगह नहीं है, तमो गुणों से घिरी चीज ही नरक रही है, गुणाधिक्य न होने पाए जीत यही है, जीत यही है। The house is the human body, and the master is the one who is free from attachment to it, and the slave is the opposite. This in brief is a description of good and bad. But know that the real virtue is transcending these two. Did you understand, Uddhava? You who are a confluence of Gyan and Bhakti?
O Krishna, please don't address me so. Lord, I am an ignorant one. Please enlighten me. What is Bhakti?
There are many ways I may be worshipped, Uddhava, but the safe rule is to offer everything to me, and whatever is offered to me with love, I will accept.
And Lord, if I have nothing to worship you with, not even water, then?
Uddhava, so long as the water in your eyes has not dried up, don't fear. One drop from my devotee's eyes is more precious than the costliest diamond.
Lord, even these things may be difficult for me. I may not be able to worship you daily. The age of Kali is at hand. So please tell me the easiest way to reach you.
Uddhava, listen to the story of my life. Narrate it. Explain it. It will cleanse the sins of 1,000 lifetimes. Even if this is too difficult, take a dip in the flowing river of my names.
Sweeter than honey is your name,
chanting my name is enough to attain liberation. I myself will follow the one who calls on my name in order to see that no harm comes to him. Thus, listening to the stories of my life and chanting my name, you will be victorious.
Krishna, when you have departed from these mortal coils, where will I find you? Where should I seek you? Krishna.
Go to my temples, Uddhav, and my temples are the hearts of my devotees. Wherever you hear my name chanted and my stories recited, there I will be present. Seek me amongst my bhaktas, for through them I will ever manifest in this world. My beloved Sakha, have I convinced you? Have you heard enough? Are your doubts cleared?
Krishnam Sharanam Mama. Prostrations unto thee. I have surrendered at your lotus feet, O Lord. You have lit the lamp of knowledge in the dark recess of my mind. You have lit the flame of your divine name in my heart. I pray, wherever I am, let my mind run to you every second and feel for you that love which is eternal and indestructible.
My dear Uddhav, I direct you to go to the celebrated place of pilgrimage, Badrikashrama, sanctified by my presence. There flows the river Alaknanda, which carries the sacred water flowing from my feet, the very sight of which is purifying. Wearing the bark of a tree as clothing, subsisting on roots, free yourself from all desires and put up patiently with any situation that might face you. Ponder deeply over that which I have taught you. With speech and thought ever absorbed in me, live according to the dictates of Bhagavata Dharma. You will certainly attain my transcendental state. Uddhava, dearer to me than all are you, a shining example of Jnana Bhakti. As I gave Bharat my Padukas in my previous incarnation as Lord Ram, now I give them to you, my dearest Sakha, for they have adorned my feet, which is the ultimate goal of all devotees.
ఆశీర్వదించి శిరముపై పాదము నుంచి శిరముపై పాదము నుంచి శాంత చిత్తుని చేసి భక్తి జ్ఞానములు తెలిపి ఉద్ధవుని సాగనంపెను ఉద్ధవుని సాగనంపెను ధన్యమాయే ఉద్ధవుని జీవనమే ఉద్ధవుడు అతి భాగ్యవంతుడు ఉద్ధవుడు అతి భాగ్యవంతుడు ఉద్ధవుడు అతి భాగ్యవంతుడు అనంగు సహచరుని ఆత్మీయుని బదరికావనమునకు సాగనంపెను శ్రీహరి సాగనంపెను శ్రీ
peace and joy are flooding me. Wherever I see, wherever I turn, oh Lord, I see you. I see you within me. I find no difference between us. Oh Lord, you and I are one.